Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create alerts on the Webull application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the menu button down below and then click on My Alerts in the Shortcuts section. Then click on Add Alerts in the middle of the screen marked with the plus icon. Select a symbol or name. Tap on it. Here you can set the quote, so when the price is above, and then you can set the price below. You can set the percentages here and enable them by tapping on these buttons. So just fill out this form. You can set when the volume is above, then set the volume. You can set it or enable news when the price movement is or rose by 3% within 5 minutes. You can also enable this feature and the other ones as well, such as the alert frequency can be set. You can include extended hours and set the repetition. When you are done, click on the save button to create your alert. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.